Today we have the 2017 Porsche Cayenne. This vehicle has done just over 77,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our home. From here, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, our vehicle settings, and apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control. This includes heated seats on either side. Just below, we can access our sport mode, as well as off-road and on-road driving. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have our cream leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof.